What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm just showing you like a video of how I looked last year compared to this year. Yes, I had to change my hair color due to a new job. You saw the thumbnail whenever you clicked on today's video. Yeah, I decided to do like a fancy eyeliner look. Names of all my products will be listed somewhere in the video in the description. By the way, nothing is sponsored. I paid everything with my own money. And yes, I do look like a little Rottweiler. My eyebrows always grow weird, so I shave the tips off and just draw them on with just some... You'll see in a little bit. But starting off, I already added my primer, and now I'm just going in with concealer. I always do concealer first to cover up my dark circles, as well as all the acne scars I have like on my chin, as well as like the... little T-zone of my face. There are no rules to makeup. I know someone's gonna say do foundation then concealer. I find that if I do that, it doesn't cover like my, acne scars nearly as good. Hate dewy and natural foundations. I prefer full coverage because like I said, like why would I spend all this money just to look the same? But as for the eyebrows, because they're probably scaring you by now, to do them, I just use eyeshadow as well as just some hair gel to make like a little pomade, and yeah, I just draw them on. The whole like feathered caterpillar look, yeah, that's not for me. I'm half Latina, I'm half Mexican, so I prefer to have like these thicker eyebrows. And I'm just using that hair gel instead of eyebrow glue by NYX just because it's a little bit cheaper. But yeah, just using that to seal it so my eyebrows don't move throughout the day. I did switch up my makeup routine because this is not an everyday makeup tutorial. This is just like eyeliner or whatever. But yeah, so I have this palette by Glamlight, and instead of using my usual blush, I decided to use this one. That was a mistake because yeah, it looked pink in the pan, and this is my actual reaction. Once I applied it to my face, it actually had an orange like undertone to it. It made me look sunburnt. I like to add a lot of blush to kind of lift my face up and give like, some color back into my skin after all that full coverage foundation, but it is what it is. Now moving on. So yeah, I'm half Mexican on my dad's side, because he's Mexican, and on my mom's side, I am Choctaw and Scotch-Irish. So yeah, I am just contouring them features. Of course, with my like, front facing, as you see, if I turn it off to the side, my side profile kind of gives it away. I don't have the money for a rhinoplasty, but I would definitely get one because I don't like how droopy my nose looks. So in the meantime, I'm just playing around with some contour and highlight to kind of, lift my nose up a little bit. Yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the eyeshadows. So, I am not a blending queen. I have been doing my makeup since I was 12. However, personally, I like the messy, splotchy look. I know it was really popular back in 2020, 2021, the e-girl makeup look. That is usually how I do my makeup all the time. So yeah, fun fact about me, I was born in 1998. I actually graduated in 2016. Yes, class of 2016. That being said, 2016 makeup is still like, it's embedded. It's embroidered deep into my soul. So all this clean girl makeup, natural looking stuff, yeah, no, that's not for me. Yeah, and then now I'm just gonna go in with like a darker pink, add it to the corner, and I am messy about it because if I want to, I can, like, I'm not a makeup artist or anything. I can make my eyeshadows look a little more like blended and something professional that a makeup artist would post on Instagram. However, personally, I like the e-girl 2016 makeup splotchy effect. Here I'm just adding some eyeshadow like underneath my eye because, I don't know, I feel like it makes my eyes look like bigger, which is, it's the goal, baby. See how teeny tiny my almond shaped eyes are, right? But yeah, I'm now just gonna go in with NYX highlighter. I love this stuff, and I actually use it to add it like the very inner corner of my eyelids, as well as just like right there by the tear ducts to really make my eyes pop. I've been doing this for a few years now, and I feel that if I don't do this, it makes me look tired. Like, I have people at work ask me like, Jamie, are you okay? Did you get enough sleep last night? All because I forgot to add my highlighter. Wait, I added a little bit of purple shimmy shade right there, like on my eyelid. But now onto the lips. So yeah, like I said, I'm half Latina. I don't need lip filler or anything, so I just go in with lip liner and just literally line my lips. This is the size of my lips. And now I'm just gonna go in with liquid lipstick. This is my favorite. This is by KVD Beauty, and I actually use two different shades. I first go in with the color that matches the lip liner the best, and then just like in the middle, I add the darker shade, and then I make this weird lip motion. I know it looks weird, but I do this so I can blend the lipsticks to create like a really cool like ombre effect. Like, if you're wondering why I'm staring into your soul as I'm doing all this, I was actually looking at the viewfinder because the mirror that I had on my tripod broke. So yeah, it is what it is. But now for the fun part. So like I said, I've been wearing makeup since I was 12 years old. I really don't know how to tell you any tips or tricks. Eyeliner's not as hard as people make it seem because I was doing it when I was like I said, when I was 12. I said I had years to practice. But yeah, so I made this graphic eyeliner completely by mistake, and I really liked how it looked. So I was like, okay, well, you know what? Let me kind of film myself showing y'all how I did it. So I first added like a little, I need like a guideline. So I added it like on the base at the bottom of my eye, and then I just dragged it out. Like that. Goodness, that was word salad like Meghan Markle when she spews her garbage. But so yeah. Oh, yes, by the way, if you're not following me on my TikTok, it's at babybats23. But I originally uploaded like a step-by-step. I'm just including the footage here. So yeah. I'm so sorry that my Ninja Turtle mirror was covering up most of what I've done. But as y'all can see, I was just I'm gonna stop talking and just let the video like speak for itself. Say having steady hands kind of helps. I don't know. I think I got it as symmetrical as I'm gonna get it. But yeah. So the graphic eyeliner is done, and this proves my loyalty. As you see, I'm almost out of my NYX Jumbo White eyeliner, but I am just adding that like right here on like my, well, it's not really my inner corners, but my outer corner of my eye. And now I see on camera, you can kind of see it's orange, but in person it looks pink. That being said, I hate that blush. I'm just going to go in with my Rim Beauty, aka the pink blush that I'm obsessed with, that I love. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I also added around my nose to give a little more contour. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes off camera. I mainly did them off camera just for convenience, but if you would like a tutorial or a video on how I apply my lashes, just like let me know and I'll do my best to make it happen. But now to finish it off, because I have like an oily skin type, setting sprays don't work on me, I'm just going to add a powdered blush, or powdered finish. And here it is. Here's the finished makeup look. And here I'm just showing you off my bangs. Yes, I gave myself Sabrina Carpenter bangs. They're just not styled, especially not for this video. I had a subscriber that asked me to do like some eyeshadow makeup looks in the past, but I never really had the confidence to post them back then. But now I'm like, oh, it is what it is. Let me just do my thing, go with the flow. And yeah, so as you see, I always draw my eyebrows on because they don't grow naturally, but that's the power of makeup. Like Jenna Marble's infamous video, you just gotta trick people into think you're good looking. A catfish, if you will. But yes, guys, anyways, let me know down in the comments what you thought of today's video, as well as the eyeliner look. I don't really post makeup tutorials, so I'm sorry this was all over the place and I kind of just chitter-chattered throughout. But I'd love to hear your guys' feedback. Let me know what you thought today, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!